What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today I want to talk about the number one thing, in my opinion, that holds people back from achieving 100% anxiety recovery. There are a lot of you doing amazing things, and I'm so proud of you. You've been listening to me, you've been listening to your therapist, you've been reading the books, you've been taking courses, all these things, all these great things. You've been watching other YouTubers, watching videos, soaking up tips and advice. That's amazing, right? A lot of you have now established a morning routine, or a daily routine, right? You're getting up. A lot of you are now prioritizing your health, right? You are now actually working out. You're eating healthier. You're getting rid of all the unhealthy triggers. Your life is changing for the better. You're turning to gratitude. You're embracing being uncomfortable. You're exposing. Now, guys, if you're not doing any of those things, we got to look in the mirror. You know what I mean? Like, we can't lie to ourselves. We can't feel so down and feel so sorry for ourselves if we're not doing any of those things, right? So your odds of recovery go down tremendously. You're not gonna just wake up and it's gonna be gone. So if you're not doing those things that get you to that 75, 80% recovery percentage, then guys, we gotta start putting in the work, all right? So let's put that aside. There's something else I feel like holds so many people from getting from like 75 or 80 or even 90% all the way up to 100%. And it's just this simple question of how long is this going to take, right? And we think that this question is pretty innocent, right? We don't see anything wrong with asking this question. But I just want you to know when you do that, it's just enough to keep your subconscious sending out symptoms and the negative thoughts. It's just enough to keep those last few symptoms hanging around. And then the longer that they hang around, the more we ask this question. How long is this going to take? How long do I have to stick with this routine? How long do I have to stick with this lifestyle? How long do I have to keep exposing? How long do I have to keep on practicing gratitude? And see, this question is actually pretty destructive. It shows doubt. It shows fear. It shows that you're not willing to commit to this for life. And I'm here to tell you, part of recovering from anxiety is changing your life for good. Not just enough to get by to recover. Not just enough to get rid of these last few symptoms. You are not gonna fool your subconscious. So a lot of you are doing some great things, you're changing your life, you're doing good stuff, but in the back of your head, your subconscious knows that you're not gonna stick with this whenever it stops sending out symptoms and negative thoughts. That you're likely to go back to the old you, that you haven't truly 100% changed. Therefore, you're not going to reach that 100% recovery because your subconscious is still technically going to be in fear. It's still going to doubt you. There's likely a few root things deep inside that you haven't fully changed. You're not making a commitment. Once you go all in and you stop asking, how long is this going to take? Magic happens, right? Your subconscious finally starts to realize you're all in. You're bought into this. That, wow, we're not going back to that old life. You know, so many people, tell me all the time, like, I just want my life back. No, you don't. That's the life that got you here. You can keep some of the good stuff from the old life, but there's a lot of other things that led to this life that you're dealing with now. So you have to change to enjoy the rest of your life, if that makes sense. So stop asking, how long is this going to take? How long is this going to take? It shows that you're still scared. It shows that you're not likely in it for the long haul, and your subconscious knows you're not going to fool it into recovery. It doesn't work like that. There cannot be a timetable on your recovery. Sure, it's understood that you want to recover, but there is a point in my life and a lot of people that actually recover where we just turn into a savage and we don't give a damn about how long it's going to take. Bring it on. Just keep on sending me that symptom. I'm living my life. I'm doing what I'm going to do. It kind of goes back to what I was talking about yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, I think it's a great video, a long video about the 3 stages of recovery. And one of the first stages is you recover consciously before you recover subconsciously. You get to a point where I believe, without a doubt, that I'm going to recover from anxiety. I don't give a damn about these symptoms no more. You can keep sending them to me, subconscious. I'm gonna keep moving forward. I don't care. I'm gonna show you that I'm not afraid, right? But the question of how long is this gonna take, it brings up a lot of doubt, a lot of uncertainty. It shows that you're still scared. Therefore, if you're showing your subconscious that you're still scared, it's gonna keep on sending you symptoms. You know what I mean? To let you know it's scared. You have to be the leader. You have to wear the pants in the subconscious conscious relationship. So hopefully this makes sense. Stop asking how long is this going to take, because honestly it sounds like you're scared. And honestly, it sounds like you're not happy with your new life. You're not happy with it. You're waiting for this stuff to go away so you can go back to how you were living before. And that's not how it's going to work. Anxiety is a sign that you need to grow. It's a sign that you need to level up. It's a sign that major changes need to happen before you can live the rest of your life in a happy way. But I hope this made sense, guys. Please leave me a comment down below and tell me your thoughts on this. If you want more help with your recovery, please check out my course, Elite Anxiety Bootcamp. I'm gonna put that link down below in the description and the first pinned comment. So many people have been getting that in the last few days. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. It helps the channel, it helps support me, and you get some awesome help with your recovery. It's changing people's lives. Be a part of that. It's my step-by-step blueprint on how I overcame multiple anxiety disorders. Online therapy, there's a link for that down below. Try out therapy today if you're wanting to get help. If you want to get diagnosed, you know, and get some more insight, then a therapist is going to be tremendously valuable to you. So you can do that on the laptop, the phone, the PC. You don't have to make a physical appointment or anything like that. I'm going to put a link for online therapy down below. My coaching info is down there, a lot of other resources. So check out the description and the first pinned comment. Guys, I love you. Thanks for watching. I'm going to keep on dishing these videos out daily. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the comments. And subscribe if you haven't. Be a part of the family. But I love you guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.